Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the only online route, a hosted Jupyter service. Sign in with your Google or GitHub account so permissions and file sync work instantly. Once done, pick a modern browser and enable cookies and pop-ups. This ensures kernels, terminal access, and file uploads function without interruption. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and any necessary account billing configured. These steps reduce delays and let you launch a notebook immediately. You now create a new notebook and select the proper kernel version so your code runs predictably. Upload datasets directly or mount cloud storage. This prevents file path issues and keeps your workspace reproducible. Next, set up an initialization cell to install any missing packages with pip or conda and run it first. This primes the kernel. Also configure autosave and resource limits if available. Doing so avoids losing work and prevents unexpected kernel restarts during heavy computations. You finish by executing cells in logical order and monitoring kernel messages so results remain consistent. Save checkpoints frequently and export your notebook as IPNB or PI to backup work externally. This preserves versions. If you encounter problems, restart the kernel and rerun only necessary cells to recover state. A key troubleshooting tip: if the interface lags or stalls, clear heavy outputs and rerun on a smaller sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.